In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Microsoft Teams login password. We'll walk through this together step by step, so don't worry if it's your first time. I'll make sure to provide clear explanations throughout the process. Let's start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Microsoft Teams login page. Once you're there, you'll see the sign in option. Click on it to continue. Now before we proceed, make sure you're on the official Teams website to keep your information secure. After you click the sign in button, a page will appear where you can enter your login credentials. You'll want to make sure you see your profile icon, which usually appears in the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that icon. This will give you access to additional account settings and options. If you're using a shared computer, double check that you're clicking on your own profile icon so that you ensure you're accessing the correct account. Next up, look for the My Microsoft Account option in the drop-down menu that appears. Clicking on this will take you directly to your account management page. This area is quite useful as it's where you can make various changes to your account settings, including updating personal information and managing your privacy settings. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this page if you haven't already. Once you are on your Microsoft account management page, you'll find an option labeled Change Password. Click on that to proceed. Now here's an important tip. Make sure to create a strong, unique password. Use a combination of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters to enhance security. Avoid using common words or easily guessable information like birthdays or names. After clicking on Change Password, you will be prompted to enter your current password as a security measure. This step is crucial to verify that it's really you attempting to make the change. Following that, you will enter your new password twice to confirm accuracy. It's always a good idea to double check for typing errors as you do this. Once you've successfully entered and confirmed your new password, be sure to log out and then log in again with your updated password. This helps complete the process and ensures everything is working smoothly. And there you have it, you've successfully reset your Microsoft Teams login password. I hope you found this guide helpful and straightforward. Ensuring your accounts are secure by regularly updating your passwords is an excellent practice. If you have any further questions or need assistance with other features, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching and happy Teamsing!